Verity, what if...
Transforming tomorrow. Hope you're prepared.
Makinig ka muna! Ay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Lugaw yan, anong mukha yan? Lucky Patcher mode ba yan niya? Oo. Hey, they said you look like Lucky Patcher.
To them. Something is coming in 3 days.
For 3! Verity, bakla ka ba? Thank you for the follow, guys.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Lugagi, malalaman natin na bakla siya bukas, guys.
Don't mock me.
Alam mo, Verity, yung pag-ibig ay parang hindi ko rin maintindihan eh. Verity, what if naghintay ako na matagal pero wala pala talaga?
Something was hungry.
Ah, may gutom. Parang gutom siya sa attention.
You're still wrong.
Mali pa rin ako kahit ginawa ko lahat. I'm still wrong. Ginawa ko, nag-effort ako, ginawa ko na lahat, pero I'm still wrong.